Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to file W-2s and 1099s using Gusto. Now at the end of the year, you will need to provide tax forms to your employees and contractors. With Gusto, W-2s that's for employees and 1099s for contractors are automatically prepared and filed for you. Now if your settings are correct, of course your settings got to be correct for that. Now, let's walk through how to manage and review them. Step one is to navigate to tax forms. So from your Gusto dashboard, what you want to do is click tax and compliance, and then you want to select filings. Now here you'll find all your tax documents, including your W-2s and 1099 once they've been generated. Step 2, understand Gusto's filing schedule. Now, Gusto generates W-2s and 1099s at the end of each calendar year, typically by mid-January. Now, W-2s are sent to employees, and 1099s, NECs, are sent to contractors who were paid at least $600. Now, Gusto files these forms directly with the IRS, with the Social Security Administrations, and relevant state agencies, so you don't have to worry about those. Step 3, review forms before filing. Now, before Gusto submits anything, you will get a chance to review. Now, you get a chance to review your employee and contractor details, the total wages or payments, as well as withholdings and contributions. So just make sure everything looks correct, and you'll usually receive a notification when it's ready to review. Step 4, make corrections if needed. So if you spot any errors, correct them by directly in the employee or contractor profile before the forms are submitted, and Gusto will update the forms and reprocess them accordingly. Fifth step is to distribute the forms. Now, Gusto will automatically file forms with the appropriate agencies. They're also going to provide digital copies to your employees and contractors, via their Gusto accounts. And also, they're going to mail physical copies if you've enabled that option. And at any point in time, you can also download and print them for yourself from the filing section if needed. Yeah, and that's it. Filing W-2s and 1099 with Gusto is simple and mostly hands off. Just review, correct if needed, and let Gusto do the heavy lifting. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.